Before you consider buying Extensis, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know to make sure it fits your needs. I'll walk you through what makes this software stand out and where it might fall short so you can make an informed decision. Stick around until the end because I'll also show you how you can try it out completely free. First, Extensis is all about asset management, but how does it compare to other big names in this space? Unlike Adobe Bridge or other file management tools, Extensis offers an incredibly intuitive, centralized platform for managing all your digital assets, including images, videos, and fonts. If you're tired of hopping between apps and tools, Extensis streamlines the process, making everything easier to organize and access from one place. Next thing to consider, Extensis integrates seamlessly with major design tools like Adobe Creative Cloud, Sketch, and Quark Express. This gives you the flexibility to work with the software you're already using while making the process of accessing assets faster and more efficient. If you're someone who relies on multiple design programs for your work, this integration is a game changer. The third thing is its cloud-based nature. Extensis has a strong focus on cloud storage, making it easy to access your assets from any device, anywhere. This makes it especially convenient for remote teams or people working on multiple devices. However, while it's great for flexibility, if you're someone who prefers to keep all your files offline, this could feel like a downside compared to tools that offer more robust offline capabilities. Moving on to the fourth thing, its tagging and metadata features. Extensis allows you to add custom metadata to assets, making it incredibly easy to search for and retrieve files when you need them. This is a huge advantage if you work with large collections of files and need to find specific ones quickly. When compared to competitors like Adobe Bridge, Extensis does this with more precision and offers better support for organizing complex workflows. The fifth thing you need to know is pricing. While Extensis offers robust features, it's important to mention that it can be on the pricier side, especially for smaller teams or freelancers. However, the software's scalability is a huge plus. For larger teams or agencies that need reliable, high-quality asset management tools, the investment might pay off quickly. If you're just starting out, you might want to try it for free first to see if it's worth the cost for your business. The sixth thing is the learning curve. While Extensis is user-friendly overall, you may encounter a bit of a learning curve if you're new to asset management tools. Thankfully, they offer plenty of tutorials and support, but it's worth considering that there may be an initial time investment to get up to speed, especially if you're transitioning from a different software. The seventh and final point is Extensis customer support. When comparing it to other software solutions, Extensis has a solid reputation for responsive customer service, offering multiple support channels, including live chat, email, and phone. Whether you're troubleshooting a bug or have a question about a feature, getting the help you need is generally easy and quick. If you're interested in giving Extensis a try, you can click the first link in the description below to access a free trial and get some exclusive benefits. This is the perfect chance to test it out before making any decisions. So, if you want to take your digital asset management to the next level with Extensis, don't miss out. Click that link and start your free trial today.